Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how we can easily put apps right on our home screen, also known as the desktop, so we can open our favorite programs faster. So let's just get started. For that, we can start by opening up and clicking on the start menu or this Windows icon right here, and from here we can either scroll through the list of applications here. We can search for the application or select this option called all, and then here you'll be finding all of the list of application that you have. You can just go over and drag and create a shortcut. So if you want this application right here, Outlook, you can just go over and drag and drop it like this. And you can find the application being available on your main desktop screen once again. And do so, you can go over and do that. If that does not work, what we can do is we can right click on the app. After that, go over to the more option, or you can select the option for putting it onto your screen. So let me just show you for this application and go to the more option. And once you click on more, you can select the open file location. And from there, you can access your screen like this and drag and drop the application available and move it to your desktop screen like this on your screen. And for even quicker access, we can right click on the app again and choose pin to taskbar. So you can go over and select the app and select the option for pinning it to taskbar. And that way the application will be available on your home screen as well. And that is it. So therefore, you can follow up these methods. That's how we can easily add and organize apps on our Windows home screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.